Hey, what's up? This is the Doctornator team. I am Vincenzo Cajula, and I'm going to do a very quick run through demo of our code, right? So we've got the login page, functions just as you'd expect. We're going to run through the doctor just in a second. We've got the sign up page, which has all these fields. I'll let another one of my group members explain that.
No, so I did the login and the sign up functionality. One of the things that I want to point out is if we hit confirm and at least one of the text fields are empty, then it will ask us to fill in all of the fields. So if we do that, and that includes the calendar and the drop down as well. And then this is the password that the user will create to log back in. The username is going to be their first name underscore last name. So if we hit confirm, we can see all of the information that we just put in. And I'm actually going to show you the text file. See, there is the text file that we just made, which is the username that we're going to use to log in right now. So the login is kind of similar in the same way where if any of the fields are empty, it's going to give us that error. All right, and then let's say I enter in the wrong password. It is also going to give us that error. But if I put in the correct password, it will populate our information again.
But of course, back to the login. Let's see, I've got Dr. Kajula, and I've got Doctor as our password. We're going to log in. As you can see, we have all these fields. I'm going to let another one of my teammates describe how that works.
Hey, my name is Isaiah Moki, and this is the doctor view for the Doctornator Doctor's Office project. See, we have preset patients here. These are like preset patients I put into the files already, just so I could demonstrate. So we selected the other user A&M, then it shows all available user A&M visits, past visits. So this one's from 9/11/2024, and if we click it, it will populate the information here. And then let's say we want to switch to another patient called named username. We open up, we see that they have a visit from 7/19/2024. So we hit that, and we see that it switches. And then if we want to create a new visit for username, we go here and type in something. This is a new visit. I'm just gonna fill the rest with and then we hit new visit, and then we can see that it populated with today's date, which is 4/10. That is it for Doctor View. Thank you for watching. So yeah.
But if it wasn't clear enough, I can take someone like Vinny Freeze. I can now chat with Vinny Freeze. As we can see in this temporary file, the doctor said a while back, ASDF, and the patient said back, hi doctor. So if I were to say something along the lines of, hey, your results are in. And then of course, log into the Vinny Freeze file. Vinny Freeze, and it's just 1, 2, 3. We log in, we check our chat. The doctor said our results are in. Phenomenal. Amazing. Thank you, doctor. We appreciate you. And if you're curious how the chat function worked, you can check it out right there.
Hi, my name is Matthew Rojas, and I'm going to be going over the chat feature that we added to the doctor application. This was a part of the project I was assigned to do, so let's get into it. Here I just have some basic UI that I made to test the functionality of my code, just to ensure that the chat function was working. And then here's the send message function just to allow the patient or, doctor or nurse to send a message back and forth. And then here's the log message function. And I have a chat commented out here, which was part of my coding process. Here's my load chat history function. The user type needs to be set in the authentication class or, login class. Whenever the user logs in, then it determines if they're a patient or a doctor or a nurse, and then that gets initialized as a user type. And this is just the basic code just for the chat functionality. This is the part I had to do. It might get changed a little bit. And in here, my prior testing, you can send a message. I meant to say hi, but timestamp gets saved, message gets saved, and then I'll pull up the TXT file just to ensure that they are being saved, and that'll be it. Thank you.
Quick demo video. Have a great rest of your night. Bye-bye.